Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. So this tutorial is based on React Native. So basically when it comes to React Native, there are some services which we can execute or services which are dependent on the connectivity of the internet. So for that purpose, we will be making use of this package known as the React Native NetInfo. So this is the command which you have to execute npm install at the rate react hyphen native hyphen community forward slash NetInfo. So basically, this is the package which will give you the information of the internet, whether your app is connected to the internet or not. As can be seen over here right now, it is saying online. So now if I just disconnect, it is saying it is offline. Okay. So this is how this package works. So it will give you the information about the net connectivity, Wi-Fi as well as the data connectivity. So now let me just reload the app. So now as can be seen, it is saying it's online. Okay, so for this, what I do, you have to install the package. After that, you have to import that package like this. So this is the code which I have written, this short code. So just to get the information of the connectivity of the internet. So over here, I have made use of the use state hook over here to catch the connectivity of the internet. Each state is connected to variable I'm making use of. So over here, you have to subscribe to the network state update. So in order to subscribe to the network state update,